வந்துட்டு டொமஸ்டிக் ப்ராடக்ட்டில் ஒரு பிராண்டை உருவாக்க முடியும், ஒரு டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் நெட்வொர்க் உருவாக்க முடியும் ஒரு அசாத்தியம். பிகாஸ் ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து குவாலிட்டியில் கொடுக்கணுங்கிறதுல ரொம்ப தெளிவாக இருக்கிறோம். அடுத்தால அஃபோர்டபுள் ப்ரைஸில் கன்சியூமர் கொண்டு சேர்த்துக்கிட்டேன். ஏன்னா எல்லாருக்கிட்டையுமே தாளந்து இருக்குது, அபிலிட்டி இருக்குது. பட் அந்த இதில் வந்து ஒரு பேஷனேட் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா அது வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஈஸி ஆயிரும். இன்றைக்கி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா என்னோட
Hi friends, today we are going to see a story about a common man like us who has changed the spice industry in India by creating a 2000 crore masala brand, Aachi Masala. He is Mr. Padma Singh Isaac, owner of Aachi Masala brand. When he grew up, he faced so many odds that many people would get bogged down, but not him. In spite of multiple challenges, he kept expanding his company, and most importantly, he has captured national and international markets as well, with more than 250 products and 700 SKUs. Even Tata and Wipro wanted to buy a stake in this brand a year back. So in this video, let's look at the journey of Aachi Masala founder, and most importantly, we will look at the unique marketing tips like dustbin study which he used successfully to build this brand. Before we proceed further, please take a moment and subscribe my YouTube channel and share it to your friends. Now, moving on, let's look at Mr. Isaac's life journey that led to the creation of Aachi Masala brand. He was born in a poor farming family in Nazareth town in Tamil Nadu. He was one among the 4 sons in family. When he was 12 years old, he lost his father due to sickness. His mother had to take care of his entire family when growing up. He didn't have much interest in his studies, but he had great interest to do business. Despite the odds, he went on to pursue BBA and landed a sales job in Godrej selling hair dye. For 10 years, he learned the art of sales and became area marketing manager. Then again, he has to face another obstacle in his growth also. Importantly, he realized that only managers from top institutes like IIMA were given top management roles in the company. Not giving up, he decided to start a company on his own, selling liquid blue, and it became a hit. Next, he decided to build something for long term, and he used his childhood memories as his inspiration and that he remembered every day. In those days, to grind spices, his mother used a hard grinding tool called Ammikallu, as called in Tamil. She spent an hour every day to grind masala powder to cook food. After an hour, her hands would turn red because of this tiresome effort. So he took this as inspiration and decided to change the lives of women who struggle every day at home. He planned to supply masala powder in small sachets which homemakers in rural areas can use instead of spending hours to just make an added ingredient. So that's how Aachi Masala brand started in 1995, and then rest is history. So let's now take a look at 5 unique marketing strategies that the founder used to create a successful masala brand. Firstly, he used a minimalistic approach for product development during initial days. Instead of resorting to big investments to develop his food product, Kudam Milagai Tool, he converted his home kitchen as an R&D space. He and his wife tried at least 10 curry experiments every day for 2 to 3 months to finalize the product recipe. After so much effort, the product worked and it started attracting customers. Though currently his company employs at least 70 R&D scientists to improve product quality, nutrition, and extend shelf life, in initial days his wife has been the major contributor to develop at least 40 such products in his brand. Secondly, he pushed for alternate strategies when his initial approach failed. In initial days when Mr. Isaac approached the retail stores for selling this product, it was not easy. All the vendors he approached rejected, saying that his product is new to market and doesn't have demand. Without giving up, he thought of an alternate selling strategy. He started approaching customers directly outside stores in marketplace like streets, festivals, and other events where people gather. He came up with a genius strategy and started giving a free tumbler along with the masala powder to promote it. In 1 year, things changed and people started asking for Aachi brand in stores. Thirdly, he conducts dustbin analysis daily to know the market pulse. This is the craziest and genius strategy that the founder continuously uses on daily basis to do market study. Normally, people like us walk or jog on streets in the morning with no particular business purpose in mind. But this genius founder observes dustbins in his daily morning walks. From a distance, he observes the packets and wrappers thrown by customer in dustbin. This unique crazy move helps him to study what products his customers are buying and what are the competitors that he need to fight in market. While there are a lot of observation analysis for companies do nowadays to know which products customer pick from store shelves, there is relatively no news of any company or its founder engaging in dustbin study like the way this founder does. Fourthly, he considers distribution always before advertising. When he launches a new product or he expands to a new country, he always ensures that products are available in store first before spending money on advertising campaigns. The reason is when people watch advertisements and rush to stores, the product must be available first or else customers can't buy it. So it's always distribution first and advertising next. The final technique we will see today is marketing mix strategy, which he strongly believes to create magic in his business. This is a standard marketing concept that a company usually follows to meet the needs of target customers. This marketing mix strategy involves 4 P's, which stands for product, price, place, and promotion. According to this concept, He ensures that the first P, which is product, is of high quality, highly nutritious, and caters to the target customers. Moving on to the second P, which is price, he ensures that the prices are very low than competition, and by maintaining low prices, he was successful in making more customers to buy his product, which led to gaining more market share in Tamil Nadu and in other states and countries. Now, moving on to the third P, which is place or distribution, he has a strong base of more than 4,000 distributors who cater to different states of the country. By having a strong distribution, Achi Masala brand has a significant reach for its target audience. Finally, the fourth P, which is promotion, is also given maximum attention by the brand by strong TV advertising campaigns to spread awareness among masses, and also by displaying Achi Masala products in model shops and in places where women frequent. The brand is actively engaged in multiple promotional campaigns. So, by addressing all the four P's in marketing mix, the Achi Masala brand has been successfully growing in double digits year on year. That's it for today, guys. If you want to know more about the case study, please refer the links I pasted in the description. If you want me to make a video on any other case study, please share those details in comments. If you find this video useful, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share it to your friends. Small actions like this will motivate me to create more such videos. I'll meet you again in next video, and until then, take care. Bye bye.